Years of neglect had slowly taken the life from this canal. Beside the blocked waterway, LEVIA-9 waited in complete silence. Rust had frozen every tool once built to protect the land. Jenny arrived to record the damage and protect the site. Before touching the machine, she studied the damaged waterway. Its 3 systems once cleaned canals, rebuilt banks, and blocked floods. Jenny realized the forgotten giant could help this canal again. She chose to restore the machine and the environment together. Jenny returned with 3 specialists who shared her environmental mission. Their plan connected cleaner water, stronger banks, and flood protection. They measured the ground before placing any restoration equipment. Sensitive plants and safe access routes were carefully protected. 3 water samples revealed where the blockage caused the greatest damage. Protective mats and sealed containers would prevent new pollution. 2 service lanes created a safe workshop beside the canal. With the site protected, the team was ready to begin. The team checked every safeguard before touching the abandoned machine. Old fluid was captured through a sealed external recovery line. Low suction vacuums removed dirt without spreading contaminated dust. Peelable gel lifted grime without washing it into the canal. The front tools slowly revealed their original surfaces and damage. The folded wings and 4 rear supports stayed locked during cleaning. Inside the broken cabin, corrosion had reached wiring and controls. Manual measurements exposed 3 serious faults beneath the dirt. LEVIA-9 was cleaner, but every damaged system still awaited repair. 6 rigid stands stabilized the frame before structural work began. A physical grid revealed exactly how far the structure had shifted. The opened wing root confirmed a 24mm hinge misalignment. A new hinge shoe was shaped from the original mechanical contour. 4 screw jacks returned the folded wing hinge to alignment. 2 opposed presses centered the displaced right rear support guide. 3 curved plates strengthened the frame without hiding its history. 2 structural faults were corrected while the rake still waited. The frame stood straight again, while every system remained silent. 6 frame stands safely carried the load for wheel servicing. Both metal covers were removed and secured on padded racks. The 2 front wheels left their hubs without rolling or swinging. Inspection revealed bearing play and a distorted right brake drum. New bearing seals and brake surfaces restored both hub assemblies. The rebuilt wheels and covers returned to their original positions. 4 lower support modules were removed while the frame stayed stable. New seals and wear strips restored all 4 support modules. With 2 wheels and 4 supports rebuilt, LEVIA-9 stood complete. 3 environmental systems were isolated before any tool was removed. The worn front drive cassette came out for measured repair. New bearings and a bronze sleeve eliminated 8mm of play. A guarded hand crank test restored the raking conveyor. Two grading blades and 2 compaction plates moved to locked cradles. The restored tool shaped clean soil during a controlled ground test. The levee tools returned as 2 barrier cassettes came off. 4 rebuilt arms safely place 2 lightweight test barriers. All 3 environmental systems were rebuilt, secured, and ready. The restored tools waited while the team isolated the machine's heart. Broken glass was secured inside sealed protective containers. The corroded console and 2 wiring looms left the cabin. The silent diesel received new filters, belts, hoses, and seals. 2 hydraulic pumps were rebuilt with new bearings and seals. Cold circulation confirmed, clean pressure without starting the engine. The console and wiring passed a safe low-voltage continuity test. New glass and restored lights returned vision to the cabin. Deep blue, black, and silver completed its dignified new appearance. Every bolt, hose, lock, and guard received a final check. Low voltage power brought both restored headlights back to life. Neutral, parking brake, chocks, and shutdown controls were confirmed. For the first time in years, the diesel held a clean, low idle. 4 steady gauges confirmed pressure without leaks or smoke. The left wing held its test angle without moving the vehicle. The right wing repeated the same controlled pressure hold. With 6 stands removed, LEVIA-9 was ready for the canal. Before starting, Jenny makes sure people, wildlife, and nature are safe. After inspection, LEVIA-9 slowly enters the controlled work zone. The cleaning equipment is carefully lowered to protect the canal plants. LEVIA-9 removes waste and branches, allowing the water to flow again. The recovered waste is sorted for recycling and responsible disposal. Clean soil is graded and compacted to rebuild the damaged levee. New flood barriers are installed to help protect the community. When we care for the environment, nature can become beautiful again. At sunrise, Jenny returns to confirm that the restored canal is flowing safely. 3 water samples show that the restored channel is becoming clearer and healthier. They replant native grasses, helping the repaired bank resist erosion naturally. Recovered materials are sealed for recycling, creating no new waste from the cleanup. The new barriers are checked carefully, ready to protect the restored bank. Gentle rain confirms that the barriers guide runoff into the strengthened canal. Clearer water and protected banks give local wildlife room to return. LEVIA-9 stands proudly, reminding us that protecting nature begins with us.